Hello everyone, welcome back to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I am going to show you how to see liked post on Instagram. So watch this video till the end. When you like a post, it may vanish from your feed, making it simple to forget. You could wish to look through your liked post past to find an interesting photos or videos that another user had posted. The good news is that you can access liked posts using the Instagram app. So without any further ado, let's get started. Open your Instagram app on your device. Go to your profile by clicking the bottom right icon. Tap the three-line menu symbol in the upper right corner. Tap on Your Activity. Tap on Interactions. On Interactions page, tap on Likes. There you go. The simple steps will show you how to see liked posts on Instagram. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedbacks. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon on our channel so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.